Good day everyone. Our capstone title is Windows and Android Application, Sales and Inventory System of Urban SILOG. I, Adun Elinitz, Lazo Emanuel, and Santa Ana Fran Sebastian are the researchers. Urban SILOG is a small restaurant called Tapsihan in Pinagbuhatan, Pasig City. Urban SILOG is selling different meals, drinks, and dessert. The owner itself is the one who runs the business, and we, the researchers, observe their business. And we gather some problems that the Urban SILOG is facing. Businesses save time by using Windows and Android application, inventory and sales system to expedite transactions while improving accuracy, as it is simple to confirm the amount of money and the timing of transactions. They also make it possible for consistent customer service interactions. The business does their physical counting of stocks manually. Technically, Urban SILOG is only using a manual system that may cause duplication of documents and work redundancy. The business is just depending on their manual listing of products and inputs of data. The proponents' proposed system for Urban SILOG can do product transactions, create an account, file, and product maintenance. The system will be created using an offline system, a window and Android application system, all of which do not require an internet connection to function but need to have same local network. Only the super admin and the owner has the right to access the system. It also generated QR code for payment method but cannot transact with the use of credit cards. Conceptual framework of the study. It covers the three major parts, namely input, process, and output phases, wherein input shows the data gathered that will be used to provide answers to specific objectives of the study. The processes involved in the study were the coding, revisions, and analysis of articles. After careful analysis of the findings of the study, the researchers conceptualized the output of the study, which is the Windows and Android application, sales and inventory system of Urban SILOG that the researchers established as a sign of response resolving the problems of the study. Urban SILOG system architecture. The crucial elements needed to run the application are the computer, router, and the device, shown in the image. The router serves as the link between the device and the computer, which is controlled by the designated administrator. The device needs to be linked to the same network as the computer in order to run the application. Otherwise, the data will be compromised.
Good day! I am Fran Sebastian. I am Santa Ana. I'm here to discuss our prototype in Windows application. In our login form, you can see the logo of the company with two text box and which accept username and password, and two buttons which is login and cancel. While in our dashboard form, there is a menu bar which contains different tabs like dashboard, products, stock, etc. And we also display the company logo and critical stock, daily sales, total products, and stocks on hand. Product tab, you can see the product list. It also have category tab under the product. In stock tab, under stock entry, you can see two modules which is stock in and stock in records. Under in stock tab, there is also stock adjustment. In supplier tab, you can see the list of supplier of the company. Under record, you can see inventory which contains two modules, critical stock and inventory list. Also in record tab, you can see sales record. Under setting tab, you can see user, which contains three forms, that is creating account, changing password, and updating account properties. Also, under setting tab, you can see store, wherein you can update or modify store details.
Hi, my name is Emmanuel Eslazo, presenting the prototype of Sales Android application of Urban SILOG. So when you open the application, it will go to the home page. When you click open, it will go to the dashboard. Under the dashboard, you can see the menu tab and the total tab. When you click order, it will pop up some information like description, name, and the price. Under the total tab, you will see the different buttons like GCash, Paymaya, Edit, Discount, and Punch. The GCash and Paymaya button, when you click it, it will pop up different kinds of QR. In Edit, when you click it, it will pop up labels that can edit the list of orders of the customers. In Discount button, when you click it, it will pop up and you can set how many discount that the owners wants and the password need to input. And lastly, the punch button, when you click it, it will save the list of order of the customers.
Good day, I am Fran Sebastian M. Santa Ana and I am here to show you how our Windows application works. First, you need to log in and you will see an alert box, and after you log in you will see our dashboard, and also the critical stocks will be pop up and later it will be closed automatically. And let's go in product list under product, and under product list you can see our products that SILOG offers, and in category you will see different categories of meals and products that SILOG offer, which is dessert, drinks, meals, and their add-ons. Now let's go in stocks, and under in stock you will see stock adjustment, wherein you can add or remove from stock on hand. Let's say for example bibingka, you would like to add bibingka, for example 5 pieces, and then delivery, then click save, and then you will see that bibingka was added. Let's go in stock entry, where you can order from supplier like Melchor Meat Shop, and then click here to browse product, and let's go buy some chicken. Yes, close, and then don't forget to add quality. How many chickens are you going to buy in Melchor Shop? Then entry, yes, and then you will see the history of stock in stock in records. Just simply click load record, and you can see chicken 5 and order date. And now let's go to supplier, where you can see the supplier list of Urban Silog. And then under record you can see 2 sub button, which is inventory, and in inventory you can see the inventory list and then critical stock. We don't have data here because there are no products that has 0 or 1 stock, so it's a blank list now. And then sales record, and when you click the view all, you can see the transaction, all of the transaction that were made, and you can see total. And if you click view sales and choose the date to day, you will see the transaction that made today. And then if you go to settings, you can modify the store details, and under user you can create account, change password, and see different accounts and change their properties. And that's all. And after you use the application, you can simply click log out, and yes, and you will direct in login form.
Thank you. Good day everyone. It's me again, Eman Lasso, presenting to you the sales Android application of Urban Silog. So let's open the app. So this is the dashboard. It has 2 tabs, which is menu and total tab. Under menu tab, it has 4 category, which is meals, drinks, dessert, and add-ons. So let's say the customer wants to buy Silog, and it will gonna pay it via cash on hand. So we can now click punch in order to save it into the record. So let's check the record. As you can see, there's a new record here. Now the next customer wants to buy hot silog, and it will gonna pay it via GCash payment. So click GCash. In order to pop up the QR code, the customer need to scan it in order to pay. Click check payment in order to verify whether the customer is already paid or not. Since the customer is already paid, we can now click OK in order to save it into the records. As you can see in the record, there's a new record. payment under via GCash. Now, let's proceed to the inventory. Now, as you can see, the bangus has a quantity of 1, bibingka has a quantity of 0, and Coke mismo has a quantity of 0. So, bibingka cannot now punch in the sales application. And also, the Coke mismo. We can only one punch one bang silog. So, total, punch, go to sales record, view sales, check the date today. There's a new record here, and the inventory, the bangus has a quantity of 0. So now, we cannot punch bang silog. The next customer wants to buy 2 chick silog and 1 Coke bottle. Let's say the customer decide to cancel 1 chick silog. So click edit, then type the number. As you can see, the 1 chick silog is being removed in the list. Since the customer is senior citizen, we need to discount it. So type 20%. Then we need to type the owner password in order to verify whether the customer is being discounted or not. So password is wrong. So as you can see, the total now is being reduced. Click punch. Then go to the sales record. Check the sales record. And now, there's a new record here. Lastly, let's proceed to the product list. We will gonna add one menu. So let's say we were gonna make Shanghai Silog so the item for Shanghai Silog is Shanghai. And the menu name is Shanghai Silog. Then the description is Shanghai fried rice and eggs and egg. Then the measurement is per piece. Let's say the price is 59. Click save. Okay. Now let's restart the sales application. As you can see, there's a new menu item here, the Shanghai Silog. But we cannot punch it since the owner is not being ordered a Shanghai in the inventory. Here. So, that's all for today's. Thank you and keep safe for everyone.